right, I was allowed to come in. It's done. How many coats of clear on that? 3 coats of clear, which is traditional here, and traditionally 3 coats of base. Looks great. What a sharp and crisp product. Again, this is our aluminum body tub, and I gotta say, this is really spectacular. See, we actually can see the reflection up there. Those are Garmat. This is a Garmat booth. Those are Garmat filters, so you can kind of tell that. Anyway, it looks great. It's really great. Nice on the firewall too. It'll be really crisp. There I am. It'll be really crisp when we bolt all the items back up into the firewall. They'll just jump right out at you.